In this video we're gonna varnish the Unimog camper. The wood that I'm using is Okoume, which is a high quality wood that looks super nice with a great wood print on it. So it's gonna look like this. Here I'm introducing myself, but something went wrong and my friend Brittany was behind the camera. So I blame her for not recording audio, so now I need to make a voice over, which I really hate. Maybe I should push in a microphone cable correctly before handing over the camera to her, but it is easier to blame Brittany for it. Here I was explaining in detail the varnish which I chose. The most important thing about that 10-minute monologue was that the varnish is based on turpentine. The reason is that turpentine based floor varnish gives Okoume the great color, and if you use water based varnish it just doesn't look as sweet as this. Here I mixed the paint and poured it in a paint tray, and we're gonna use fluffy rollers over the foam rollers. You can also use a guinea pig to paint, but more on that later. Here I started sanding the box and I got really bored with it, so I let Brittany do the rest. But before varnishing you need to sand and clean the wood. Because Brittany got cold, I used my 3.3 kilowatt heater in my Unimog. Also the varnish dries better when it's warmer. But Brittany still got cold, so I also put the 15 kilowatt workshop heater on. Maybe if she works harder, I don't have to put 18 kilowatt of heaters in the workshop. But the heat is better for the varnishing. Here I had a great plan to put plastic on the floor and I tried to tape it down. It failed and the tape didn't stick, so it became a mess. They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty. Yeah, I'm not a singer. While varnishing the walls, I was telling Brittany how you can use a guinea pig as a roller and how to install it on the handle. But let's not put that on YouTube because I don't want to get demonetized. Brittany then was in shock about my story and she thought that she had a guinea pig called Georgina. And the cute Georgina died of exploding diarrhea. So I quickly switched subjects while we continued varnishing the box and we got high of the turpentine fumes. I was gonna clean my room until I got high. I was gonna get up and find the broom, but then I got high. My room is still messed up and I don't know why. Because I got high, because I got high, because I got high. Tra la 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 la. In this shot I thought how happy I was about the color of the Varnished Okoume and that you should follow me on Instagram and follow Brittany of course. Let's remove the stupid plastic. And probably next time I'm gonna sand all the walls again and get it smooth and then do a second layer of varnish. Here comes the electric installation and I was telling a lot of details about it. And I painted the box grey RAL 7005 and Brittany agreed with all my plans of course. Oh, not everything in this voiceover is the truth. But that is the advantage of making a voiceover, you can say what you want. Thank you Brittany for helping me on working on the Unimog. If you'd like to help me, check the donation links in the description or use my Amazon affiliated links. Thanks for watching. Next time I'm gonna try to record with audio, I hope.